Hi friends, welcome to 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is Moto G34 smartphone. In this video, you will learn how to increase font size in your phone, how to change font size in your phone Moto G34. First of all, go to the settings of your phone here, then go to display, then go to display size and text. Here you will find font size option. By default it is set to the second point. If you move to the third point, fourth point, if you move towards right side, font size will be increased. Okay, see here, font size is increased very large. Okay, see the changes, everything is in big size. If you want to decrease font size, again go to the same settings, display, then display size and text. Here you have to move the pointer to the left side. If you move towards the left side, font size will be decreased. This is very small size. See the changes. Okay. If you want to set in default to font size, again go to the same settings, display size and text. You have to keep the point in the second position, and this will be the default font size. In this way you can easily change font size in your phone Moto G34. That's all friends. Thanks for watching. Bye.